Hi everyone, welcome back to another YouTube tutorial of TechAssess. Today's video is based on how to reply an email on Gmail account. So in order to reply an email, first you need to go to your email account or your web browser. So on the web browser on top there is a search bar, type mail.google.com, and if you're having confusion with the link, I will leave the link on the description box. So now the main inbox page loads, and here as you can see there are a list of email. Now you need to select your email to whom you want to reply. So select your email. So as you select your email, the email will load. Now scroll down to the bottom, and on the left hand side corner there is reply. So tap on reply. So as you tap on reply, another blank document loads. Now you need to enter your query, question or an answer or anything that you want to reply. And after that you need to tap on send. Now as you can see that my reply has been sent, and this is how you can reply an email on Gmail account. And that's all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, subscribe and also hit the bell icon so that you never miss an update. Thank you for watching.